In today's video, I'll show you guys how to get the Mac OS cursor on Windows PC for free. Check my video description for the site link. Check download and check Mac OS Pixel Cursor Windows.zip. Wait for 5 seconds. Check download. Once download done, select the folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and you can choose either dark skin or light skin. I'm going with the dark skin. Right click on install and select the install option. Select yes. Once the installation done, right click on the desktop and select personalize and select themes and select mouse cursor Windows default. Click on the drop down in scheme and select Mac OS Pixel Dark and select apply. Yes, okay. And we have successfully changed the cursor to Mac OS. And now everything working. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.